Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders have said that the drama staged by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the name of today's all-party meeting in New Delhi with its former collaborators is tantamount to rubbing salt on the wounds of Kashmiris and hoodwinking the international community. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, in its statement issued in Srinagar, said that no meeting or talks can yield any result vis-à-vis resolutions of the Kashmir dispute without the participation of true representatives of Kashmiri people. It said that the people of Kashmir cannot trust Modi, who even put down his stooges by discarding Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir's constitution, its flag, identity and fundamental human rights. Other Hurriyat leaders including Bashir Ahmed Andrabi, Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, Sarjan Barkati and Uzair Ahmed Ghazali pointed out that India had a history of broken promises and betrayals when it comes to exercise of the right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. They maintained that the New Delhi's politics of betrayal was again witnessed on 5th August 2019 when it scrapped special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, repealed Article 370 and 35A and initiated a series of measures to change the demography of the territory. They said even the collaborators invited for today's meeting were arrested, detained and subjected to utter humiliation. The leaders said that Delhi drama was enacted to ward off global pressure on India to stop brutalities in the occupied territory. However, they deplored that most shameful part of this oft-repeated colonial process is that these stooges have always come handy for New Delhi to help it out in the face of world criticism. Chairman of the Parliamentary Committee on Kashmir, Shahriyar Khan Afridi, on Thursday reiterated position on Kashmir dispute and said that Pakistan will not engage with India until it revokes its decision of illegally annexing the disputed territory. Speaking to a delegation of All Parties Hurriyat Conference in Islamabad on Thursday, Afridi said that the new step of the Modi government talking with Kashmiri puppets is nothing but a facade to hoodwink the international community. Meanwhile, in the wake of agenda-less all-party meeting drama in Delhi, Indian authorities intensified restrictions in the occupied territory in the name of high alert. Indian troops on the occasion launched coordinated search operations in different areas of Srinagar, Pulwama, Shopian, Islamabad and Baramulla districts. They cordoned off areas and subjected people to beating, abusing and frisking. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the frequent use of draconian laws by the Indian fascist rulers in the nook and corner of the territory. The Public Relations Secretary of All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Bashir Ahmed Andrabi, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said during the past 3 weeks, more than 300 people, mostly youth, have been put in different jails of India and the occupied territory. The Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement has paid glowing tributes to the youth recently martyred by the Indian troops in Sopore, Pulwama and Shopian. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front Chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik, who is lodged in New Delhi's Tihar jail, appeared through virtual mode before a Sada court in Srinagar today in false case registered against him. The chairman of Jammu and Kashmir People's Association, Aqib Wani, in a statement in Jammu, condemned the brutal lynching of a Muslim youth, Ejaz Ahmed Dar, by cow vigilants in Rajouri and demanded capital punishment to the killers. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.